Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Frigidaire refrigerator error code D1SP, Defrost, Temp sensor reset and fix guide. The fix one, you can reset the refrigerator. Unplug the refrigerator from the power outlet, wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then you can plug it back in. Then you can check if the error code disappear. Fix 2, you can check the defrost sensor connection. Unplug the refrigerator, open the back panel inside the freezer where the evaporator is, and locate the defrost sensor attached to the evaporate coil, and make sure the wire connector is tight and not damaged, and then reassemble and plug the fridge back in. Now we move to our final fix. Inspect for ice build up. Unplug the refrigerator, leave the fridge door open for a few hours to fully defrost. Wipe away any excess water and turn the refrigerator back in. Goodbye.